It's time for the glow and unwind. Breathe in deeply. Exhale. And let it all go. The outside world can wait. This is your moment to melt into stillness. Reconnect with your body and honor the sacred transition from doing to simply being. Let's see what your energy is calling for tonight, so your soul, your skin, and your glow can rest and renew. Welcome to the Celestial Glow Up, where we offer luxury glow up intuitive experiences designed to align you with your highest self, wealth, and radiance. Tonight, we're indulging in the art of rest, the ritual of renewal, and the glow of deep relaxation. We'll begin with the card from the Soul deck, revealing what emotional energy needs to be released, followed by the card from the Embodied Glow deck, showing how to best support your skin and body's renewal process, okay? Let's begin. Tonight's soul call come from, let's see, one card please, Spirit. Okay. Oh, you got the high frequency feast. Fruits, vegetables, and whole foods carry life force. Incorporate more of them today. So you're in need, right? You're in need of some fruits and vegetables, right? Those whole foods bring nourishment not only to our body, but to our minds, and bring us more into alignment with our higher self, okay? Stillness can't fully settle when something within you is still holding on, right? Maybe the old processed foods is still within you, right? And then to indulge in them here and there is okay, but not all the time, right? Your body needs this high frequency foods. This card right here reveals the emotional residue that's ready to be released, so your body can rest and your glow can soften into peace. You need to incorporate all of these fruits and vegetables, whether you're incorporating, for an example, let's say you're incorporating more apple into your diet, which is fiber, right? That's fiber. You make sure you're eating the skin. That's good for the digestive. Maybe you might incorporate, for an example, some plantains, which is good for iron. That's good for your blood. So you're all these kind of, I should say, fruits and vegetables are high frequency, right? Your nervous system knows what your mind hasn't yet let go of, right? So if you were emotional eating, right? Some people struggle with that. You're emotionally eating things that doesn't serve you. Your nervous system knows what's going on, right? It knows what's going on, that you're emotionally eating because what you're going through, right? But please feed it nourishing foods. This card shows the feeling tonight or weight that's asking to be exhaled before rest. It's asking you to incorporate more of these. Maybe right now you can go ahead and get you, like I said, a fruit, a vegetable. You can eat onions, whatever it is that you like. Incorporate that, right? Your glow can't exist where heaviness, I should say, lingers, right? Those processed foods and all those other kind of foods is heaviness, right? And that's also our state of mind of where we're at when we're eating those kind of foods, right? That's, again, heaviness. This card right here, it uncovers what your spirit is ready to release tonight. So your body, breath, and energy can return to calmness, right? High frequency. Let's move on to the Embodied Glow deck. Let's see what your body needs for deep renewal for tonight. One card, please, Spirit. Let's see what your glow is calling for. One card, Spirit. Oh, look at this. You got a core awakening. You have a lot of gut cards. Make sure you're paying attention to your gut. Okay, your gut health, having those prebiotics and probiotics. Okay, this card you got is core awakening. Engage your core with slow internal ab exercises to activate your power, right? Having a strong core is not just about having a six-pack. It's like having a strong core helps That helps a whole lot with our whole body alignment with walking, right? Because you have to engage your core with exercise and with endurance, right? All these things that help with core. You need to awaken your core. Also, adding high frequency foods will help awaken your core. Your soul and your body is calling for more health related things, that for you to be aware of what's going on within your health, right? Your glow begins in the moment no one sees, right? The quiet, gentle rituals that invite your body to release and restore. These cards right here, this one I should say, reveals how to soften into rest and let your radius reset from the inside out. By you engaging this, right? Nobody has to see you doing this. You could do this sitting at your desk. You could do this on your bed, right? Right before you go to bed. Go ahead and work on some ab exercises. Even if you just do 10, you start with 5, 10, 7, 8, however many you need, right? True renewal happens when your body feels safe, okay? Unrushed and seen. This card offers the exact support your body and nervous system are craving to replenish overnight. You need to do a core awakening, okay? Let this card right here guide you into stillness, whether through warmth, right? From working out, that warmth. Hydration, make sure you're drinking more water, which will have you more high frequency, put you in like alignment. Or just sacred silence, where you're just having a quiet time before bed. Your glow deepens when your body is honored with intention, okay? These cards right here, and this message, I should say, invite you to close the night with intention. A final act of self-respect that says, right, that says to yourself, I am worthy of softness. Whether it's physical stillness or a mental release, right? This ritual will carry your glow into tomorrow. Your rest deserves a ritual, okay? And these cards offer one small sacred gesture to guide your body and mind into ease, okay? It does. Let it be simple. Let it be soft. Let it be yours. Your glow, as you can see, it's not a task. Doing this and eating this is not a task. It's a frequency, right? These cards, right, and the message reveals a gentle practice to return, right, your rhythm, soften your edges, and honor your body's need for restoration. An affirmation you can say is, I honor my glow by releasing, restoring, and receiving. I am safe to rest, and I trust my body to renew overnight. Your glow is not just the final, I should say, your glow is not just the result of the products or rituals. It's the reflection of how you gently treat yourself. When the world quiets down, that's really what it is. The beauty you wake up with starts with how you choose to rest. When you're going to sleep, your state of mind right before bed. Let tonight be a soft return to yourself, to breathe deeper, to move slower, and allow your body to restore in peace, right? If this message resonated, drop a moon in the comments and share how you're unwinding down tonight. Like, subscribe, share me out, right? And return tomorrow for your next glow ritual. Until then, high vibers, rest deeply and let your light rise softly with the morning.